What's up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. Alec here, and I have a new friend I want to show y'all. This is Ellie. Ellie, take a look. It's Ellie. She's about 12 weeks old now. Yeah, she's a good old dog. A little feisty right now, but hopefully she can go get us some ducks. So if y'all want to see more videos of her, drop a comment below. But today, well, yesterday, I printed out some new decals, put them on the boat. So yeah, they're reflective, so can't really tell right now, but in the dark, the black lights up. Ellie loves it. Ellie loves the boat. I've only taken her in it in the pond one time, but today is going to be her first real boat ride. And yeah, we'll see how she does. So yeah, same boat's about the same. We've got all the Knoll Industries products over here. I don't think I showed y'all, but I got this finally wired up. Works off of this. Freaking super clean setup. Got my cup holder for whatever in there, you know. My sound bar up here. It's just about summertime. She's just all over the place. She's all over the place, ain't she? But yeah. So today's gonna be the first real kind of lake run this year. Taking Ellie out, see how she does, and hopefully, I think she'll do pretty good. She did fine in the pond, doing a little fishing, but we'll have probably 6, 7, 8, 9 boats out there. Trying to get y'all some content. Got the drone charged up, ready to go. So y'all stay tuned. See you at the lake. Ellie, you like the lake, sis? Ellie. Ellie, you like the lake? Yeah? We got some boats out of here. We got Old Bay's 1444 RDB. My 553 Edge. 550. I can't remember. Havoc.
Yeah, you know the back point though? You're holding it like that.
Alright guys, so I just finished editing the video. I wasn't very sure where the video was going to go. Sorry there wasn't much talking. The more I do these, I'm going to try to do more talking. Like maybe run some of their boats on video, like with the chest mount GoPro. Show y'all if you want to see that. Drop a comment if you do. Ellie did really good in the boat. Didn't get very many videos for her, but that's not really what the video was about. It's really just about going with the flow. But it turned out decent. It's gonna be about 7-8 minutes long. But yeah, it was a great day out on the lake. I ran a couple boats, but my boat wasn't in there very much because my lower started ticking on the way out there, making some weird noises. So I was like, I better not drive it. Well, lo and behold, on the way back, it pretty much blew up. Bunch of rattling. So always service those lowers. But I have one on the way. It's Wednesday. It's supposed to be here Friday. So might be good for the weekend, hopefully. And me and Court are trying to plan a fishing video. Might be this weekend, might not. I'm not really sure. Depends if my lower comes in. And yeah, so hopefully that works out. I want to say too, always wear your kill cord when you're in the boat. No matter what, wear it. Stuff can happen really fast. I'm kind of a daredevil, and I swear by wearing a kill cord. So y'all please do that. And if you want to support me, got the AC Hunt hats. Got this one right here. Got this one right here. I can do pretty much any color if it's not on the website. Shoot me an email or DM me on Instagram. I can get you fixed up. But thank y'all for watching. If you wanted a hat, shopachunt.com, or custom decals for your boat, shopachunt.com. That's where I'd get them. I make them myself. So appreciate y'all watching. Drop some feedback on this video if you liked it, didn't like it. But yeah, thank y'all for watching. See ya next time on the water.